Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are well. Thank you who are enter my video to watch it. If you new, please subscribe my channel and stay with me. Now I am going to discuss how to create Google Classroom, how to use Google Classroom as a teacher, how to use Google Classroom as a student. If you new, please subscribe my channel and stay with me. First I am going to Gmail, image, Gmail, Google Apps. Then I will press there. So I shall go to under by rolling. Here is the classroom. At first I submit it here. After some time the classroom will be appeared. Navigating classroom just get easier. Here is the classroom option. Then I am going to get how to classroom. Here is the home page. At first I am going to the setting. Here is the setting. Wall setting has been opened. This is the process. You must be open wall settings. Teaching, calendar. Here is the calendar. Today is Friday. I am going to how to create Google Classroom. At first, creator join the class. Join the class. Here is the join code. If you want to join as a student, you must be submitted the class code and join. If you want to create class as a teacher, here was your school must be sign up for the Google Workspace for Education account before the classroom learned more. So I have read and continue. Create class. If you want to create class name. Class 7, section A, subject transformation, transformation of sentence, translation. The subject is translation. Great. After some time the classroom will be created. Here is the classroom. If you want to customize this front picture, here is the customize. If you want to select photo, other source, here is the photos and select. If you want to upload a real photo, select. Here is the video, photos, document, picture. I opened. Here is the picture. So the pictures will be attached after some time. Sorry, this picture is too small. Save. If you want to classwork, go to assignment, quiz, question, materials, reuse post. Go to assignment, name of essence topics, translation, English, ENG, English into Bangla, English to Bangla. If you want to attachment, drive, YouTube, create upload file. If you want to go YouTube, you must be link post, upload. If you want to upload file, you must be go to folder, addition my drive start. Here is the notification, date, submitted date, traffics, create traffics, marks, upgrade marks 100, all students, everything will be ready. Then you say ascend. This class will be created. Here is the action, English to Bangla, ascend. All class must be people. If you want to invite it teacher or student, here is the invite link. You must be press the one number, same way students. Grades, invited, interlink, copy, interlink, and grades. So the process already have been done. If you feel this video is good, please share others platform. Thank you for watching my video.